I promise that I will serve Goa with sincerity, integrity, dedication until my last breath. Your present circumstances have prevented me from delivering a detailed budget speech, but there is a Josh that is too high, very high, and I am in Hosh, fully in Hosh, year 1920. The total gross budgetary expenditure works out to be 19,548 crores for the year 1819, representing an increase of 14.16%. Out of this estimated expenditure, 13,308.26 crores is towards of the total established expenditure of rupees 13,308.26 crores is towards revenue account and rupees 4,947.45 crores is towards capital account. Happy to announce that the year a revenue surplus of rupees 455.10 crores is estimated. Sir, thrust of my government will continue to be on agriculture. Hence, health, education, information technology, employment, infrastructure, and overall sustainable economic development. Sir, in order to discharge the responsibility, one government expenditure, including the ongoing revenue and capital schemes, pending passing of the full budget, I seek a vote of account for the first 5 months of the year. Sir, my government will announce all the details